How do we use the dishwasher? How do we use the dishwasher?
First, you put the things inside the dishwasher. We rinse, and then you add soap.
Okay, how do we...
Colorful soap.
Okay,
And then you close it.
okay. Get the colorful soap.
It's all soap.
Okay, I'll hold it. How can you open it?
Hindi mabuksan?
Daddy, can you help Navi?
Okay, I'll open it with Navi. There.
There.
Oh, it looks so nice. There's tornado dishwashers.
No, Navi calls it the
What's that smell? Yun.
colorful soap. Yeah.
A colorful soap.
And then...
On 15 one.
Oh, no, not there, Navi.
It doesn't fit there. The other one, the bigger one.
The bigger one.
No, the 15 one.
The 15
Not the 25 one.
You need the 25 one
Why?
because it fits there.
And it's
No.
and we need 25 when we need lots of soap to clean a lot of dishes.
Okay. Then you
No.
close it. Very good. And then...
Close it.
Very good.
And close that.
There. And then we...
Close that.
Okay.
Oh, not yet. He's here.
Very good. Very good. You make sure that everything's inside.
It's inside already. Now I can close it now.
Very good. And then what do we press?
That one
Okay.
first. One.
Where?
Very good. And then...
Press that.
Oh, no, not that. The other one. Yes. This one first. This one first. Then we start. Great job, Navi! Great job!
Good job. High five. High five. You're so smart. Even Daddy doesn't know how to do that.